Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by removing laces and insoles so you can access the mesh. Once done, gently dry brush the yellowed mesh to lift loose grime. This prevents scratching when wet. Prepare a mild detergent solution, about 1 TSB detergent in 1 cup warm water, because strong chemicals will damage the resin and stitching. Dip a soft cloth or brush, squeeze excess liquid, and test a hidden area. This gets you into the cleaning phase quickly while protecting material integrity. Now you attack deep yellowing. Apply a 1 hydrogen peroxide and water solution sparingly to affected mesh areas because peroxide lifts oxidation without heavy abrasion. Using a soft toothbrush, work in gentle circular motions. This helps the solution penetrate fibers and release discoloration. Make sure to blot excess with a microfiber cloth rather than overwetting surrounding materials, because saturation can warp foam or weaken glue. Repeat short applications, inspecting frequently until the yellow tones fade to acceptable levels. Finish by rinsing the mesh with a damp cloth to remove residue. Do not run them under a hose, since adhesives around the mesh can loosen. Once clean, reshape and stuff shoes with paper, then air dry at room temperature away from direct heat. This prevents warping and glue failure. If discoloration remains after a couple of safe peroxide cycles, consider repeating carefully or consult a professional restorer. Sometimes ingrained oxidation needs specialized products to reverse without damaging the upper.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.